Hi Maisie,
Hello.
how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling very excited, very happy because I just passed.
You certainly did.
Yeah.
Would you like to share with the people why you changed and you came here?
Yeah.
How you found the big difference? Would you like to share that?
Yes, I'm honored. So I have more than 10 license in other instructors, but I think he didn't teach me much, and I keep failing the exam. I failed 4 times or 5 times already. I almost gave up myself, and then I finally found Carmen, and then this is the second license I have with Carmen. Very clear instructor. I know exactly where I make mistake and where I should pay attention to. So in the end, I passed.
You did?
Yeah.
What about the practice notes?
The practice notes really helped because I come from overseas. Sometimes that notes for me to see it, that's really helpful. And also I just highlight all the important informations.
And that changed everything, did it?
Yes, that changed everything. So
because you
if
could understand,
I forget,
you could understand better, could you?
yes, and if also I forget, and I can always go back to the note to have a look.
Well, that's right. They're on online driving lessons, so you actually had the driving lessons in the notes, so you could refer to them to practice.
Yes.
So that's what made the big difference too, didn't it?
Yes, that's really helpful. Guys,
well
come.
Well done. All the best, Maisie.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.